Hi everyone, welcome. Have a great weekend. Thank you very much for checking out this video. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Mike, and this is IPO Market Watch, which doesn't cover only IPOs. I also cover every stock on the market. So on a daily basis, I come out with videos every single day about stocks that I think are a buy or not, and so on. Usually in the mornings, there's also some really good videos that come out early in the morning, around 5 o'clock in the morning, about a stock that might do well during the day. So far lately, those have been on point. But in this video, we're going to talk about an initial public offering, which if it does go public, right? If it finally does go public, it would be great, I think. But I will give you though my opinion at the end, because the last time I covered this, I actually did 2 videos on this initial public offering before, because it was supposed to go public 2 other times before, and it just keeps on getting pushed back. That's why I said if it does end up going public. But my opinion for this IPO has actually changed since the last time.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
So we're going to talk about Lead Real Estate Company, and it is going public on January 26th, supposedly, if it doesn't get pushed back again. It is available for pre-order right now, and you can pre-order this for $7 to $9 US. I understand if you're new to IPOs and don't know how the pre-order works, they say 7 to 9. It means you're going to get it at you're going to get your shares allocated at $8 a share. So Lead Real Estate Company has filed for a $27 million US IPO. By the way, someone asked me about pre-IPOs, where can I order? And apparently the person is new to all this. You can pre-order IPOs, yes. And sometimes it makes sense, because you can get, let's say, you can pre-order for $4, and if it's a good one, they open at 8, 10, 12, you're automatically a winner, right? So there is a reason why it makes sense sometimes to pre-order certain IPOs. Now, this is a Tokyo, Japan-based company. It was founded to develop single-family homes and condominiums for sale in Tokyo. Management is headed by founder and president CEO Mr. Eiji Nagahara, who has been with the company since 2021. He previously worked at a variety of real estate companies. The company also operates hotels in Tokyo and leases apartment buildings to businesses. So that's pretty cool. Now, the company has received $2.6 million in investments so far. The firm operates through real estate agents, and it targets wealthy family buyers who are buying for their personal use or for a business. And if we look at the total revenue here, the company in 2020 had $65 million in revenue. Then they went up in 2021 to 84.3. So they're increasing in revenue very fast, and in a large increase. Now, if we look at this here, this graph, this is actually really, really good. It shows the supply of new apartments, basically the demand for new apartment buildings in Tokyo. And we can see here 2022, 2023, an increase over the past at least 5-6 years. And it is projected that it's going to skyrocket by 2025. If we look at the gross profit of the company in 2020, 7.4 million, 2021, 11.1, and then the gross margin is 11 to, let's say, on an average of 12%, so that's a very low. Operating profit loss went from 1.3 to $3.3 million. Comprehensive income loss went from $750,000 to $2 million. Cash flow from operations went from $384,000 to $1.8 million. They have $2 million in cash, $63.8 million total liabilities, and their free cash flow is negative $7.2 million. If we look at the market cap, is $195 million. The enterprise value $227 million. Price to sales 1.8, EV to revenue 2.20, the EV to EBITDA 44.2, and earnings per share is positive 22 cents. Operating margin 4.9%, the net margin 3%. The float to outstanding shares ratio is 13.7, so that's a good one for those who are looking for a day trade in an IPO. That doesn't mean that it's a guaranteed pop, but it helps to have that. Free cash flow yield per share is negative 3.6%. Debt to EBITDA 11.7, and the revenue growth rate 55.8. Network One Financial is the underwriter and remains the underwriter of this. And for this reason, I am now neutral, because Network One Financial IPOs have been canceled and pushed back for at least 2 months now. The SEC, ever since the SEC started investigation on Network One Financial and Universe Securities for their huge popping IPOs that they did in 2021, everything has been getting canceled. Everything has been getting pushed back. In fact, Lead Real Estate has already been pushed back twice, minimum 2 times already. So if it does go public on January 26, it would be very interesting, and it would be something that I would like to pre-order and get into for that date. But I have also changed another thing. Before the whole SEC investigation, and when everything was guaranteed, when we saw Network One Financial, we knew it was guaranteed to pop. I was always going all in, and things were working out perfect, and I was making a lot of money. It was just amazing. It was just an amazing IPO party. But since this whole investigation, since they froze the Network One Financial IPOs or pushing them back and so on, it's been such a long time that when they finally get an IPO going and it finally goes public, will it have that momentum that it had before? I don't know, right? I really don't know. So I will always go very careful now into these IPOs, knowing in the back of my mind 2 things. The most likely they're going to get pushed back, as they've been doing so far. And if they do go public, what will be the momentum? Will it be like it used to be? If Lead Real Estate does go public on January 26th and it does awesome, that means the momentum never went away. That means Network One Financial is still great. That means that I'm going to be chasing these IPOs again, because they never stop. I mean, Network One Financial has already a backlog of many IPOs that have been pushed back. They have at least 20. If we can get all 20 of those going public in 2023, it's going to be amazing. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you all the best. Take care.